How vitamins and minerals affect your teeth. Vitamins and minerals come in all shapes and sizes, from gummies and supplemental pills to powders and gels. They can even be found in the food you eat. And this blog will tell you how consuming certain types of vitamins and minerals can help, or in some cases hurt your teeth and gums. Why are vitamins and minerals important for your oral health? Its effect: consuming certain types of vitamins and minerals help to keep your body strong, so it can properly fight bacteria that can cause infections. Without the proper amount of certain vitamins, your body is unable to fight the bacteria, which can cause numerous problems ranging from cavities and abscesses to gum disease, mouth sores, and other oral diseases. That's why vitamins and minerals are so important for maintaining good oral health. Vitamin D. One of the most important minerals our bodies need is calcium. It not only makes up and fortifies our bones and teeth, but is needed to facilitate every muscle movement we make on chemical levels. Without calcium, our bodies would not be able to function. Vitamin D is so important because it is the substance that can mine the calcium out of the foods that we eat and unable to be carried by vitamin C in the blood to the rest of our bodies. Vitamin D deficiency and oral health. Vitamin D deficiency causes many serious problems: skeletal muscle, cardiovascular, and neurological disorders, and even cancer can all be added by the lack of vitamin D in the blood. The Institute of Medicine has concluded after many years of research that to prevent deficiency, people should be getting 200 to 600 international units of vitamin D per day per scale. There are 100 IU of vitamin D in 1 cup of milk. Because our teeth are made of bones, it is logical that the amount of vitamin D one consumes is important for their oral health. Lack of vitamin D can lead to dental caries and weaks, or brittle teeth that easily break, chip, and crack. A controlled study made up of 2,827 children found a reduction of 47% in cavities of the children who received vitamin D supplements. This is extremely important because it goes to show how by protecting your teeth from the inside by giving your body everything it needs, you can prevent cavities, which prevents possible tooth loss and subsequent dental issues.